We're approaching a set of traffic lights and we'll be going straight ahead. Now, going straight ahead at traffic lights is fairly straightforward. On approach, we just need to make sure we choose the correct lane. In most cases, the left lane goes left and straight and the right lane turns right. As we approach, we'll be checking the center, right door, left door mirror, and we're going to stick to the curve which is going to lead us to the left lane. And we'll respond to the traffic light signal, and if it's safe to carry, if it's green, then we'll keep moving, otherwise we'll stop just before the stop line. Once the traffic light turns green, you don't have to worry about giving way to any traffic. Check all your mirrors, center, right door, left door mirror, just to see if anybody's followed us into this road, and keep moving.